Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Because doing fantastic. Listen, boys and girls, Turbo is chilling pretty much on top of our weekly support, right? If we break it down on other time frames, this is also a pretty good support area. Could be going just a little bit lower, which could make sense because when we look at it, the last relevant order block, the last relevant type of candle that I look for specifically is over here. Now, the most cleanest one I saw is on the 2-day, right? But the 2-day is kind of big, and I know there's a lot happening, so let's just get rid of this. I pretty much took this Fibonacci tool from the top to the bottom of this red candle here, and I would not be surprised if we kind of go down, maybe to 70%. Um, and that's like kind of the furthest, right? If we actually break it down on the daily, that would actually make sense, tapping into this candle somewhere here, consolidating before we continue going up. I still do think overall it is a great time to be buying Turbo. In fact, I think it is always going to be a great time to buy Turbo up until I would say, let's check market cap. Let's check market cap. Depending on what you're aiming for, right? Because if you're aiming for like a 4x, then you could be going to Turbo for a while. But oh, it's under 500 million market cap. I think buying Turbo under a billion is a great deal overall. I think buying Turbo under a billion market cap is overall a great deal. But if I'm trying to get the best entry, like I said, I do think, right, for 500 million, 7.5, that'd be 15. Yeah, so pretty much, like I said, in terms of the chart, where our new high is where I would want to be getting to Turbo the latest. Okay, the latest. Right now, you have a great discount, ladies and gentlemen. You have an extremely good discount. If we would take what type of discount we have from the last relevant high to the bottom, right, where you could have bought the lowest, you have a 38% discount from the last relevant high before the new previous high. So when you put it that way, it's still not a bad deal, right? And if we do go maybe a little bit lower, right, then you could almost get a 50% deal from this high here compared to the maximum bottom, which I think that is still a steal. That is life giving you a second chance. That is like giving you a second chance for a premium deal, ladies and gentlemen. My bias still stays the same. I think Turbo at the minimum should be hitting like 15 billion market cap, which is like a 30x from here. Okay, it is a 30x from here. So guys, make sure to buckle up and not financial advice, but if you wanted to double down on Turbo or triple down, now would be overall a great time to do it. I still think this coin, it has the meme narrative and it has the meme coin narrative and it has an extremely strong community. So it has three things for it. Those are the three reasons why I think Turbo is going to do really, really good. And, it is still at a good market cap to make very, very good gains.